In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your default products on the Teespring. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here, in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you, or whatever browser you're using in your PC. Once you open that browser, of course, you can simply go to this URL section and simply type Teespring spring.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that will take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And of course, if it's your first time, you'll find at the top right corner login option. And if you don't have an account, you'll find at the left of it an option to create your account. So of course, you can do one of those options. Of course, you can use like your Google account or your YouTube account or even your Facebook account to log in or even create your account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of doing those two options. And once you did one of them, you will find yourself like something like that, or even here. Of course, you can just go and click here, then go to home, and here where you're gonna find your dashboard. Of course, it's gonna be the home screen of your account on the Teespring. So as we said, we would like to change our default products in our store as an example. So the first thing that we would like to do is just to go to our lesson, and here, as you can see, for me, I have no listings. Actually, I don't have no listings active. Of course, as you can see, I can go here to archived. As you can see, I have two archived. I can like relaunch them. Yeah, relaunch this, and let's just relaunch the other one. So we'll have the two of them. So let's just wait until this relaunch finish, and I'm coming back. And of course, once it's what's relaunched, you can just go again into all. And of course, you can then go into edits details of your launching. And of course, if you want to make it as a default products for your store. So for me, I have the only listing is this one now, which is active, of course, and you can buy from it. That's why I don't have a third option here. For you, you will find a third option if it's not your own listing. Let me just active or have more than listing. I'm coming back to show you that settings. So it seems like it's taken a lot of times to realize the product. So of course, normally, as I said, you will find a third option, and this third option will be actually default program and or products and listing. Of course, you'll find like this is this is the product that appears first when the listing is loaded. So make sure to like if you have like a section for men's, section for women's, like just choose it from there and make sure to if you have a shared just search for like everyone, you can just choose everyone, and that third option you'll be good to go. You can just save whatever you did and go back to your store, and you'll find it as your first listing in there. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and goodbye.